Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reproducing the bug. This is the fastest way to understand its boundaries. Capture exact steps, environment variables, and any error codes so you can compare runs. Once done, pull logs and a stack trace to see where execution diverges and note timestamps to correlate events. Make sure to isolate scope. Confirm whether it is one feature, a module, a browser, or a device. This prevents chasing unrelated issues and gives you a tight, actionable starting point for fixes. You now perform a focused investigation. Attach a debugger, set breakpoints, and step through the failing path to inspect variables and state. Next, review recent commits and dependency updates. If uncertain, bisect commits to find the change that introduced the behavior. Once you isolate the culprit, write unit or integration tests that reproduce the failure to prevent regressions. Make sure to document assumptions and add comments explaining why the new test validates the fix. You implement the smallest clear fix that resolves the failing test and preserves behavior, then run the full test suite locally. Once passing, deploy to staging and run smoke tests while monitoring logs and metrics for regressions. Make sure to include a rollback plan before pushing to production. After release, write a brief postmortem that captures root cause, steps taken, and a checklist or CI guard to prevent recurrence. If something goes wrong, revert to the prior release and rerun the reproduction steps immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.